Hello and welcome to Red Stapler channel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create pixelated image with JavaScript and Canvas in just a few minutes. Let's check it out. So here's the example page. There's only one image on it and nothing else except few CSS rules for center alignment. First, we'll start with loading image to canvas, so let's create a canvas element. Then create a new image object. We'll use this to load the image on this page before we put it in the canvas. To start loading the image, we just need to set the image source. Now loading the image takes some time to finish, so we can't continue the processing right away. We will need to create event listener to trigger when the loading is finished. So let's bind onload event listener to the image object. Then inside, we will print the console to see if it works. Okay, now we will continue the image processing. First, we will remove the old image from the page. Next, we'll set the canvas width and height to be the same as image and put the image on it using drawImage method from the canvas 2D context. Next, we will create another image object to be used as an output. We will try to export the current canvas image to be able to see the result. Just use toData_URL method from the canvas object and set it as output image source. Then set the size and append it to the body. If it works correctly, you will see a smaller image as I reduce the width to 600 pixels. Now let's work on the pixelating process. First, we will get the pixels array using getImageData. Then we will set the sample size to define how much pixelated effect would be. The larger sample, the larger square size. So let's set it to 40 pixels. Next, we are going to loop through the pixels array. But first, we need to understand the structure. The array has only single dimension, so it starts with the first pixel of the first row, followed by the next pixels in the same row, then start over with the next row, repeatedly until the end. Now each pixel has 4 datas. The first 3 is RGB value and the last one is alpha or transparency. So the array size will be 4 times of the number of pixels. Okay, let's create the loop. We will increase the count by the sample size. Then we will get the pixel index position. Don't forget to multiply it by 4. Then we'll take the RGB and alpha data from the first pixel in the sample size to represent the entire square, and then paint it on the canvas. And here's the result. You can increase the square size by adjusting the sample size. And that's all for this tutorial. If you loved this video and want to see more development tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for weekly update. Thanks for watching, see you next time. Bye!